This is wild. The World Cup is live, everyone is in football mode, and I wanted to see if AI can build a cyber football mini film from one character sheet. Game on. Let's dive in. Alright guys, so I wanted to see if AI can build a cyber football mini film from one character sheet. Not a random clip, a mini story with consistent characters, a rivalry, a stadium, and a fire football flying through the air. The tool is Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini by Dreamina. It delivers on-par performance with Dreamina Seedance 2.0, but at a lower cost and faster speed. For the case study, I kept it original. No real teams, no real players, no copyrighted uniforms, just our own cyber football World Cup. First, I open Dreamina and make a character sheet using Dreamina GPT Image 2 model. Gigi is the cool one in pink headphones, futuristic boots, clean outfit, and holding a fire football like she already knows she is winning. Lara is her rival, red hair, racer glasses, evil foxy ears, sharp attitude, and cyber boots. She looks like she came to steal the trophy and break the stadium screen. Then there is Romain, comedy relief, completely different energy, baseball hat, burgers in hand, sitting in the stadium, watching the chaos like a normal guy who accidentally bought the best seat in the universe. The sheet stays clean, names only, no messy text, no logos, just the characters and their visual identity. Then I go to AI video, choose Omni Reference, pick Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini, upload the character sheet, add a video reference for the camera movement, enter the prompt, and generate. That is the big part. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini supports multimodal references, so the image controls the character look, the video reference controls the motion, and the text controls the story. Now the match starts. Gigi and Lara face each other inside a neon cyber stadium. The crowd is glowing. The camera circles around them like a final match intro. Gigi kicks first. The fire football bends through the air. Lara slides in, blocks it with a glowing heel, flips backward, and sends it straight back across the pitch. Then Romain appears in the stands, mouth full of burger, completely shocked, while the ball explodes into sparks above the stadium. This is why Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini matters. It is not just text to video. It is a full workflow for character consistency, reference control, fast variations, and short film ideas without burning your budget on every experiment. And the best part is that AI filmmaking is no longer an expensive luxury reserved for professionals. Today, anyone can use AI to create short films, cinematic videos, creative content, and storytelling projects at an affordable cost. Whether you are making social content, testing ideas, or building your own mini-movies, the barrier to entry is lower than ever. And did you know, guys, Dreamina is currently offering limited time double savings. You can get 55% off membership plans, plus nearly 50% lower credit costs for Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. Pricing starts at just 2 cents per second for 720p generation, making it easier than ever to experiment, iterate, and create cinematic videos without spending a fortune. I'll drop the full prompt in the comments, including the character sheet prompt and the video animation prompt. Click the link in description, sign up for Dreamina, and try Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. There you have it, guys, and here is the final result, combined of several generations together into a mini film. Enjoy!
You ready to get burned? Cute. Now watch me steal your crown.